Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tactile excellence with the top 5 best mechanical keyboards to buy in 2026. Whether you are a hardcore gamer or a typing enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. Coming in at number 5, we have the Redragon K617 Fizz. This compact 60% layout keyboard is a fan favorite for budget gamers. It features linear red switches, vibrant RGB lighting, and full driver support for customization. At just 2,489 rupees, it is an absolute steal. At number 4 is the Kreo Hive 65 RGB. This wired keyboard features pre-lubed switches and a 5-pin hot-swappable PCB, making it perfect for those who want to experiment with different switches. It is priced at 2,599 rupees and offers a premium typing experience in a compact form factor. Taking the number 3 spot is the EvoFox Katana S Mini in white. Boasting a high 4.6 rating, this keyboard is perfect for quiet environments thanks to its hot-swappable silent red switches. With a 1000 Hz polling rate and a compact 68-key layout, it is both stylish and high-performing for 1,599 rupees. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Kreo Swarm 65 Wireless. This is the ultimate choice for those who hate cables. It features tri-mode connectivity, gasket mounting for a premium cushioned feel, and pre-lubed Starling linear switches. It is priced at 3,999 rupees and includes 5-layer sound dampening. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Kreo Hive 75HE. This is a beast for gaming, featuring Hall effect magnetic switches with rapid trigger and adjustable actuation. With an incredible 8K polling rate, it offers the lowest latency possible. If you want the ultimate esports advantage, this is the keyboard for you at 3,999 rupees. Here is a quick comparison of our top picks. From the budget-friendly Katana S Mini to the high-performance Hive 75HE, there's a perfect match for every desk setup and budget. That wraps up our list for the best mechanical keyboards in 2026. Which one are you adding to your setup? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.